Would you like to earn an amazing income doing something you love? Become one of Formula Botanica's licensed tutors and you get to run our profitable face-to-face workshops anywhere in the world. We give you everything you need to be a success in teaching the art of organic skincare formulation to others. Once you're a tutor teaching our live workshops, you get to keep all the profits for yourself. We only ask for a small annual license fee to continue using our brand. Our Tutor Training Program is a business-in-a-box online course aimed at existing Formula Botanica students who want to add a lucrative income stream to their business and become recognized as an expert in their community. Learn how to create a lesson plan your workshops using fun learning activities. Understand how to price, sell and market your workshops. We give you 1 year to comfortably complete our online tutor training course. We also include your first year's license fees to get you started. Enroll for our tutor training program and gain access to our award-winning and accredited e-learning platform. When you successfully complete your course and have signed your license, we add you to our website and promote you to our followers as our newest tutor. Become one of our licensed tutors and teach others how to make organic skincare. Run your own successful face-to-face workshops using Formula Botanica's worldwide reputation.